How to bold text on Instagram post. So let's see. First create new post. Select your post. Then next. Write text you want to post. After write text, copy this text. After copy, go to home screen. Minimize this. Then open Chrome browser. Search bold text generator. Open any trusted website. Then paste text here. After paste, then go here, scroll down. Here you can see all styles. Copy one style, then go to post and just paste here. So then okay, share this post. Wait for post. So finally you can see bold text show successfully. In this way you can bold your text. Thanks for watching.